PM Shri School Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Wardha has provided an opportunity to the students to learn woodcraft and calligraphy. It all began last year when the renowned wooden artist Padma Shri Ajay Mandaviji from Chhattisgarh was invited to conduct a wood calligraphy workshop under PM Shri activity. Many students, including boys and girls, acquired the skill of wood calligraphy, cutting the wood in various designs and styles. Students are provided with U-frames and blades along with pieces of wood. This workshop is aimed to provide students with hands-on experiences in woodworking and calligraphy, allowing them to explore their creative potential and develop a deeper appreciation for craftsmanship. The Woodcraft Workshop is a dynamic and engaging event that brings students together to delve into the world of woodworking and calligraphy. The primary objectives of the workshop are to enhance students' practical skills, promote teamwork, and instill a sense of accomplishment through the creation of unique wooden artifacts. Students are given hands-on training on the safe and proper use of woodworking tools, including U-frames, blades, saws, drill machine, and sandpaper. Students learn the fundamentals of wooden calligraphy, such as different lettering styles, spacing, and the art of creating visually appealing compositions. The tactile sensation of writing on wooden surfaces added a sensory dimension to the experience, making it more immersive and memorable for the students.
Woodcraft and calligraphy workshop gave me an opportunity to express my imagination and creativity in the form of creating new designs on wooden surface. I thank Padma Shri Ajay Mandavi sir, Principal sir and Jadhav sir for providing such a nice opportunity to me. Thank you.
Woodcraft and calligraphy workshop is a good opportunity for me that improves my confidence, concentration and helpful in my studies. I found in future job opportunities in the field of wood and calligraphy, and I sincerely thanks to Padma Shri Ajay Mandavi sir, Principal sir and Jadhav sir. Thank you.
Wood Craft and Calligraphy workshop is a unique and fascinating experience for me. Thanks to Padma Shri Ajay Mandavi sir and JNV Wardha for providing such an opportunity to learn the art of calligraphy on wood. Through this workshop, I learned creativity, sense of unity, beautiful designing, and many more things. And my special thanks goes to our Principal sir and Jadhav sir for encouraging the students to continue this workshop in this way.
The emphasis is not only on technical skills but also on fostering imagination and personal expression in the creation process. Collaborative learning is promoted through group activities. Students work in pairs or small teams, fostering teamwork, communication, and the sharing of ideas. This aspect aimed to develop social skills and promote a sense of community among participants. The panel inspection team this year applauded this enriching creative workshop. The students prepared handcrafted nameplates for Honorable Assistant Commissioner NBSRO Pune Shri R. Prem Kumar sir, respected Principal JNV Chandrapur Meenamani Madam, and respected Principal JNV Nagpur Zarina Qureshi Madam. The Principal JNV Wardha Shri Shailesh Nagdevte sir always motivates the students to enhance and enrich such woodcraft skills among themselves.